What's up guys, Sean here. In today's video, I'll be unboxing this HD webcam, and this webcam is by the brand Texa or by the company Texa, and I just bought it today and I'll be unboxing this. So this video I divided into two parts. In the first part, I'll be unboxing the webcam, and in the second part, I'll be testing the webcam and comparing it to my inbuilt camera. And now when we take this box, we can see that it's high quality, and then we can see it says 1080p, and in the side they'll show some of the features like full HD 1080p and built-in microphone and all. And now we'll open the box and we'll find the webcam in this plastic type case. It's not actually a case, it's a holder, and this is the webcam, and we'll take it out. And when we take it out, by you touching it, I can feel that it has a good build quality. It's built without any problem, and it is plug and play, so you can just use the USB to plug it into your USB port, and then you can use it.
Okay, so this is the test of this 1080p HD webcam, and what you see here, the camera app, that's my original camera, which came pre-built into my computer. And this one, what you see in the zoom settings, this is the HD 1080p webcam, which I just showed you guys now. And so while comparing both of these, I think that the 1080p HD webcam seems more colorful than the other one. But for me, it doesn't make much difference because both look good enough for me. And so I would recommend buying this a 1080p HD webcam if you have an older device with a really bad inbuilt camera. And so for people like that, this is really good. But for me, it doesn't make that difference. And that's all. That's my thoughts about this product. If you have any other comments, tell me down below. Tell me what you think of this product. And with that said, that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Comment down below. Tell me what you think of this. Tell me what you think of this video. This is Sean signing off. See you in the next video.